In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to italicize in Illustrator. You might be asking if you can italicize in Illustrator, and you can, two different ways, but neither of those ways is just by simply clicking a button. The first way would be reliant upon the font itself. So in this case, in my properties panel, in the character panel, I have Arial selected as the font. In the Arial font family, there are styles that are italic. So you see regular, but you can also do italic as well as bold italic. So if you have a font that includes italics, then you can actually just change the style of it, and now you have an italicized font. If we switch to something that I don't have italics in, like myriad, then what I'm going to need to do here is apply some sort of effect. In this case, the effect is called sheer. So I've got this font out here. I can go up to Object, down to Transform, and then to Sheer. Now with Sheer and the preview box checkmarked, I can adjust the sheer angle. I'm just using my up and down arrow keys here to adjust it by a degree, and you can see that the font becomes italicized. The axis I have here is horizontal. That will sheer it horizontally. If I was to do negative, it would italicize in the other direction. You can kind of see how this works with the sheer angle. So once you have the angle selected that you'd like, you can hit OK. Now this wording is still editable, really easy to continue to use your text and edit it if you need to, but that is two different ways that you can italicize text in Illustrator.